let's continue our product journey and allow me to give you a very short introduction and a general overview about one of my favorite topics, the so-called heated sample lines. In sample handling systems, probably one of the most underestimated items. It looks from the technical side relatively easy, but if you talk to quite experienced people, you will find out that most of the problems are probably not from the gas sampling probes, and might not be from the gas conditioning or from the gas cooling sections. They might come from the heated sample line. So what is the need of and the requirement for the heated sample line? In general, the task is relatively easy. The line has to move the sample from the place where the sample is taken, for example from the gas sampling probe, to the place where the analysis is done. We in PSG manufacture more than 2,500 different heated sample lines, and I would like to show you, to give you a general introduction and an idea why do we have so many different applications. First of all, you need to decide what is your application and what is your need. As you can see here, we displayed so-called extruded heated sample lines. These lines are machine-made and similar to a normal electrical wire. You can see that there is a PVC or a TPU extrusion jacket of this. Next to these automatically produced items, machine-made items, we also produce so-called flexible lines. These lines have a different jacket material. They are, like I said, more flexible than the extruded lines, and they are also used for different applications. In order to choose the right heated sample lines, there's some basic questions which you have to answer. First of all, you have to decide what is the holding temperature you need. We always recommend to use the heated sample line just to hold a certain temperature, never to bring a gas or a fluid up to a certain temperature. This is strongly not our recommendation. So first of all, you choose what is the holding temperature you need, and then you have to think about, is there a need that you have to cut the line on site, or do you want the line to be prefabricated, which means you just connect the line to the power supply and then it will be operated. You also have to consider, is the line installed inside, is the line installed outside, what is the bending radius? All of these questions have to be answered so that you finally come to the right selection of the right heated sample. I can say we're very proud on a very long partnership with Raycam heating cables, which we use in our heated sample lines. Whenever it is possible, we use the self-limiting, the self-regulating heating cable, which you can cut to lengths and which will always hold the right temperature. In PSG, we have the chance to individualize the lines up on your requirements. That means if you require a different positioning, for example, for a PT100 or for other thermocouples, we can manufacture up on your requirements. Also, the length of the power supply can be individualized. Furthermore, and this is also where this big variety comes from, as you can see here, we manufacture not just standard stainless steel inside, can be Hastelloy, Monel. There's a very, very long list of tubes which we can manufacture and we can use in our heated sample lines. We have and can share with you video and additional information how you can cut the line on your certain lengths and how to do the finishing of the lines. We hold a lot of information about that to make you as flexible as possible when you are in the phase of an installation of a heated sample line. With the next videos, I would like to show you some more details of very specific heated sample lines. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact us and the team. Thank you.